Albert Ojwang's case continues to take new turn every day as new evidence continues to unfold from different suspects and people that have been linked to the murder of Albert Ojwang. As we speak, yesterday being on Friday, the OCS of Nairobi Central Police Station, Samson Talam, was arrested in connection to this murder. The man is said to have been arrested while in Eldoret, but his lawyer, who is also the lawyer of the first suspect that was arrested in connection to this case, Police Constable James Mukwana, Danstan Omari, has revealed that his client was never arrested at while he was in Eldoret, but he was arrested after presenting himself at the DCI offices. That is where he was arrested. Now, also a bombshell has been dropped in regards to the case of one late Albert Ojwang. Danstan Omari has revealed that the country is going to be shocked by the revelation that OCS Samson Talam is going to present in court against the real killers of one uh, Albert Ojwang. A major twist is unfolding in the case of Omondo Ojwang's mysterious death. As detained Central Police Station OCS Samson Talam prepares to speak out, renowned lawyer Danstan Omari has confirmed that Talam, who voluntarily surrendered to the DCI, is now ready to reveal damning information that could shake the nation. For days, Talam has been painted as the face of guilt, a fugitive hiding from justice. But Omar, speaking with fiery conviction, has flipped the narrative. Talam will not go down alone for a crime he did not commit. The country must know the truth, he declared at a press briefing. Omar hinted that Talam's testimony could expose a high-level cover-up involving powerful individuals allegedly working to bury the truth, including the Inspector General of Police, the Deputy Inspector General of Police, and the IG himself. One name that continues to surface is the Deputy Inspector General Eliud Langat, rumored to be related to the president, whose critics claim is being shielded from scrutiny. The case has gripped Kenyans, who are demanding accountability and justice for Albert. His death under suspicious circumstances at Central Police Station sparked outrage and renewed fears about impunity within the police ranks. Talam's anticipated statement is expected to be explosive, possibly naming those who orchestrated the cover up. As the nation holds its breath, there is growing hope that justice may finally be served, not just for Albert, but for the countless others who suffer silently in the shadows of the police. With the truth finally ready to surface, one question lingers in the minds of many Kenyans. Will the system protect itself again? Or will justice prevail this time round? Now, allow me to tell you, even if OCS Talam is going to confess and bring up the whole scenario on how it played out, I tell you, even the high power that we all are expecting they are doing thorough investigation to reveal the real culprits in the murder of Albert Ojwang, they are also questionable. Why am I saying this? As of this morning, we received intel that the technician that was brought at Central Police Station to clear or format the CCTV footages of the night that Albert Ojwang died at the Central Police Station, uh, the young men that were brought in went ahead to claim that the young man that was brought in claims that he was paid 3,000 Kenyan shillings by the OCS Samson Talam. And when he arrived at the Central Police Station, he went to the OCS's office where he was told now to delete the footage from 6th to 7th of June. But the young man, having no knowledge of how to deal with that certain issue, he told the boss, that is Samson Talam, the man that is said is that he is being rumored to be that he is ready to drop a bombshell, claims that the young man, the technician who formatted the footages, claims that Samson Talam gave him the order to format the CCTV footages. So the question is, how can Samson Talam recuse himself from this cover up? The only thing that Samson Talam can do is stand to be a state witness against the real culprits of this matter. Because also according to the duty rota, to the duty roster at Central Police Station, on the said date, PC Police Constable James Mkwana, was arrested as the first suspect, was not on duty by the time that Albert Ojwang died in those police cells, which says that this is a shoddy cover up. Now, for these people to be free, yes, they cannot bring the name of Mukwana in without him having the knowledge of what happened there that day. Yes, he might be being used as an scapegoat, but Mukwana and OCS Samson Talam must come together and be turn state witness against one Eliud Langat and also the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, the 5 DCI officers that traveled to Omari to arrest Albert Ojwang and bring him in Nairobi. Are we together? That tells you, you know, Danstan Omari is one of the greatest legal minds that we have in this country. And he is a man that knows how to flip the coin. And I tell you on this, he is going to flip the coin and hands will roll. I am sure of that. Hands will roll in this matter because the OCS, the OCS and Police Constable Mukwana are not going just to sit down and take all the blame of a crime that they didn't commit. Their only mistake is realizing how things have been messed up, and to avoid the wrath of the law, they tried to cover up. Let me ask you, today you come in your house, or let me ask, umekwenda na binti kwa boma lako ama umekwenda na kijana kwa boma yako, mkalala, asubuhi umeamka umepata huyu mtu ameiaga dunia. What is the first thing that comes into your mind? It's how will I explain this? How will anybody believe that I didn't kill this person? So the best thing I can do is try to cover up this whole scenario. I think umeusikiza wimbo wa Hussein Machozi unaitwa Kafia Ghetto. Binti amekuja kwako vile amekuwa kwa muda akikusepa, lakini now she comes and she is ready for you. And this time round unatoka tu kwenda kuchukua soda, ukirejea kwa nyumba unampata anatoa povu kwa mdomo, ameshaiaga dunia. Tell me, how will you convince people that you didn't do that crime? That is the question that came into the mind of one OCS Talam when he tried to erase CCTV footages at Central Police Station. Yet, himself, he is not guilty of the murder. He is guilty of the cover up. Ikumbukwe, Albert Ojwang au maafisa wa DCI walijaribu kumpeleka kwa vituo tofauti, ikiwemo kituo cha Pangani Police Station. Wakajaribu kumpeleka Kilimani. Huko kwote akakataliwa, maana hali yake ilikuwa mbaya sana. The OCS is there told the DCI officers, we can't take him in. The man seems that he needs more medical attention than being in a police cell. So after kurudishwa naye walikwenda pale Central, and then they called their boss, wakamwambia mkubwa wanakataa kuchukua kijana. Then mkubwa akapiga simu akaambia OCS Talam, this is the DIG speaking to you. You know who I am? I am your boss. Take that money, book him. What would you do? And police officers are taught to obey order without question. Na ndio maana Rigathi Gachagua akiongea ileo amesema kwamba maafisa wa polisi wanapaswa kutumia akili, maana sio kila wakati unapewa amri tu unaizingatia. At the end of the day, hiyo amri umepewa itaweza kugeuka na ikuje ikuharibie maisha, as it has done for OCS Talam and PC James Mkwana. For now, that's what's up. Achia maoni yako kwenye comment section, tuungane katika video zetu zijazo. Hii ni Kenyan Daily Report.